Hi everyone, today we are going to make garlic coated shrimp with potato basket. Ingredients: 14 shrimps, 2 sweet potatoes, flour, salt and pepper, olive oil, frying oil, butter, 3 cloves of garlic, lemon, cherry tomatoes, and parsley. Cut 3 cloves of garlic. Insert the shrimps into the mixing bowl. Insert sliced garlics into the mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil into the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of extract lemon into the mixture. Insert 1.5 tablespoon of drinkable water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well and rest the mixture up until 1 hour.
Peel, cut, and grate the potatoes to prepare the potato basket. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to the grated potatoes. Insert 2 pinches of salt and then mix it well. Place the potatoes into the strainer, which will act as a molding template. Place the smaller strainer above the potatoes, which will form a basket shape. Fry the potatoes until golden brown. Apply butter in the frying pan. And then insert the rested shrimps into the frying pan. Fry the shrimps until golden brown. Release the fried potato basket from the strainer carefully, and then put the butter fried shrimps in the potato basket. Add pepper. Add cherry tomatoes and parsley for decoration. So that's our recipe for today, folks. It is a very simple recipe. You could even try this at home. It tastes good and very nutritious. Goodbye, adios, auf Wiedersehen. See you next time.